A hand tool with forever precision, your career buddy. Tooth failure and worn teeth, a great challenge for tool makers. Now a solution, the limiting device. NakoTools, your lifetime hand tools. Precisely, solidly forged. Enhanced service life and stability. Precision 72 teeth design. Snug fit, even attachment. NakoTools, ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1. NakoTools, your lifetime hand tools. Ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1. Tooth failure free. Ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1 provides torque far exceeding its peer products. Ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1 operates over efficient lifespan. NakoTools, ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1. Technology of fast switching ratchet. High performance driving force. Easily stretching handle. Breaks through the cramping space. Various sizes, expands the space. NakoTools, ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1. Pioneering R&D, patented in multiple areas. It is sturdy, safe, and handy. Ratchet and flexible handle 2-in-1. Precise and solid. It performs over the top. NakoTools, a hand tool that keeps your company forever.